It's already 6:30 in the morning. Yan, aga namin nagising. 5 o'clock. Actually, 5:30. 5 o'clock in-alarm ko, then 5:30 in-alarm ko ulit. Kasi it's too early. Para meron lang, face. Breakfast na kami. Garlic rice. Vegan longganisa. Oo nga, yung unan mo. Vegan longganisa, tsaka egg. Hindi na ako nag-coffee kasi baka masira yung tiyan ko on the way or mahilo ko. Usually, ganun ako pag long trips. Tapos uminom ako ng coffee. Medyo iba yung, pakiramdam. Yan. Bitin yung, yung Zambales trip. Pero, syempre, kailangan mag-work. Makeup of the day. Fresh lang. Later na lang, naantok pa talaga. Bye, Sampaloc! See you later, Manila! Kat yung kambing, oh. Shh! Lucky me! Alalala! Alo! Wow! Look. Carabao. Nandito kami sa saan ba to? SLEX, San Fernando, Pampanga, I think. San Fernando. It's already 9 o'clock. Ang aga namin. As in 1 hour early daw kami sa expected time namin. Nandito kami sa saan ba to? Yung parang stopover lang na pero wala pa, sarado pa lahat ng mga stores. Sayang. May mga Nike, ganyan, Adidas, and all that. Let's eat. Kimei! Why so dark? Yeah. Ooh, excuse me.
Ilan? Sana pagsawaan mo yung hashtag namin.
Hey, finally back here in my studio. Anong oras ba? 11:20 ng April 26. Ayan. Ay, look, ito na pala yung color ng hair ko. Using the L'Oreal Excellence, yung golden nude brown. Just to update you. And then, I used the L'Oreal Excellence, yung conditioner, para yung soap fade free para hindi masyadong mag-fade. Mas naging lighter siya. Ayun. Ako lang nag-color sa hair ko. Anyway, I really need to prepare my things. Unpack my things. Ayan, ganyan. Tapos later, I need to fix my makeup train case kasi ang aga ng makeup gig ko bukas, 3 AM. Kasi graduation makeup siya. Buti na lang linis na ako ng makeup brushes ko noong Saturday. Yan. Yung iba blank kasi ginamit ko for myself. Pero that's it. Tapos I need to unpack. Yan. Nakalimutan, ayan pala yung aking bag. Nakalimutan ni Kim. Ha. Ayan. I'm so tired, pero yun. Pahinga muna. Thank you so much, Bea, Kuya Roldan, and Kuya Benito, and to the dad of Bea. Thank you so much po. I really had a great time spending my vacation 3 days and 2 nights vacation in Zambales. Nakakamiss yung Zambales, as in very peaceful, quiet, simple life, fresh air. Basta, beach life. So, yun. Pero walang internet. Hirap na hirap ako sa connection ng internet. Buti pa sila si Bea at si Kim. Ang bilis ng internet nila. Ako wala. Sun Cellular kasi ako, Sun Broadband din. Kaya super hirap. Kaya now pa lang ako mag-update ng mga posts ko. And to answer all the inquiries. Ayun. Sige, later na lang ulit. Guys, I'm back again. And sorry for my face. Discobol na ako. Nakatulog ako. Mga 4 hours din ako nakatulog. And then, I did not expect this, pero si Miss Cathy De Asis of Maybelline Philippines, hello po, thank you so much. She delivered it to me. Talaga, as in, right in front of my door. Nakakatuwa. Look. At ang ganda. I love this. Gusto ko yung ganito. Yung may wooden, tapos fresh flowered. Perfect for flat lay yan. And yan. Ito yung bago from Maybelline. This one is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Ang ganda niya. Na-try ko na siya. So yan. Stay tuned for it. And then meron din siyang binigay na Stellina's pink lemonade with ano to? Cranberry. Yan. Let's try that out. Ito, granola, berry nutty banana granola. Ayan. And of course, press kit. Yan. Ano sabi? Hello, gorgeous. We hope you enjoy our latest kit with the newest mascara, favorite in town, Lash Sensational from Maybelline, New York. Please enjoy and have a sensational summer ahead. And thank you so much, Maybelline Philippines and Cathy De Asis. Really appreciate it.